What up? It's your boy back at it again today. Y'all already know what time it is. I'm about to bring y'all some more of these holiday specials, baby. It's the holiday season. Happy holidays, you guys. Hey, so today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I like to cure or brine my ham. I got some apple cider vinegar. I got 2 cups of brown sugar. I got some fresh black pepper. I got some crushed red peppers. I got some oregano, thyme, and basil in there together. And I got some bay leaves. And I got some coastal salt, and I got some canning salt for the curing. And I also got some cinnamon right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all these ingredients in my pot. I got a half cup of vinegar. We'll drop 2 sticks of cinnamon in here. Put our brown sugar. And we just gonna bring this to a slight boil so it can just get in there. I'm gonna stir it up. Let's take it over to the stove. So we're just gonna turn it on just a little to bring it to a slight boil. To get the seeds cooked up in there. Okay, let's let it come to a slight boil.
Next level. Next level.
So I just took my ham out the fridge. Brine for a total of 48 hours. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it out, the brine, and I'm gonna wash it off and let it sit out and dry a little. Start the process to make our glaze for our ham. So what I'm gonna use is the pineapple sliced. I'm gonna use the juices out the pineapples. So we're just gonna go ahead and pour the juice out the pineapples. We're gonna use some cherries, and we're just gonna pull the juice out the cherries. So we're gonna put 1 cup of brown sugar in there. You can use light brown, dark brown. And we're just gonna take it over on the stove and heat it up for about 2 minutes so it thickens a little and the sugar dissolves. Okay, so I got some toothpicks I'm just gonna use to put in my ham, to put the pineapples on the ham. You wanna stick it in enough so it stays there, but just remember, if you got a ham with a bone on it, you won't be able to go too deep.
Next level. Next level.
Okay, now that we have our ham all with our pineapples and cherries on it, we're gonna go check on our glaze on the stove top. All right, let's get ready to put our glaze on the ham. All right, so we're just gonna dab our glaze on there. If you notice, I put it in some foil so we can keep it in so it doesn't dry out. All right, let's get ready to put it in the oven and wrap it all up. Let me grab a piece to take across the top. Okay, I have my oven preheated to 350. We're gonna put it in the oven until it gets an internal temp of 165 degrees. All right, stay tuned. All right, so it's been 2 hours since our ham been cooking. Let's go ahead and pull it out. Now that our ham has rested for an hour, we're gonna go ahead and put it on our cutting board. All right, thanks for tuning into this video, watching me making this holiday style ham with the pineapple and the glazed brown sugar. Hey, for you new viewers out there, go ahead and push that subscribe button so you become part of this family. Hey, thanks for tuning in. Peace out.